Hi everyone, today we find ourselves in beautiful countryside near the Tuscan city of Lucca. And Rima, what can you tell us about the location of today's property?
Well, as you said, we are just 14 kilometers from the very pretty walled town of Lucca, which many of our viewers will know as it's famous for its oval square, the Piazza dell'Anfiteatro, for its music festivals, both opera and rock, and its camellias. So there's wonderful food like everywhere in Italy, local food, and there's something for everyone. The coast is at 40 kilometers. The hills behind us, Pizzorne Hills, are ready to be walked and discovered, and the Apuane Mountains. There are thermal towns close by, international airports, there's Pinocchio for kids, so there's something for everyone.
And what about the property itself? What can you tell us?
Well, the property is a wonderful family home. It's been very beautifully renovated with big light spaces. There are several annexes. There are places to sit and dine and relax with friends and family. So it's a very nice location. There are beautiful views, which is absolutely a must for most buyers. And so it's got everything.
And what sort of buyer do you see buying a property like this one?
Well, it's a family home and it's also a very successful rental villa. So it's ideal for both groups, and with all the amenities, the volleyball court, the bowls court, the pool, the walking, the sea. It's absolutely ideal for groups and families. And so do you see potential in this property, Cameron, for rentals?
No, absolutely. I think for a rental property, this one has all the ingredients to be very, very successful. So it's already established on the rental market. Its location is excellent. You have 3 international airports close by in Florence, Pisa and Bologna. You've got mountains, you've got the coast, you've got cities, you've got towns, countryside. The size of the property is also ideal. The privacy, the seclusion. So for someone looking to generate an income through a property, then I think it's difficult to do better than this. And if you're after more information on this property or others, please contact us directly. Remember also to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on Instagram. So Rima, what do you think? Time to check it out?
Let's go and see it.
Let's have a look.